Greetings, everyone. I figured I'd take a break from building code videos and share this encounter I found interesting. Growing up, I've always been fascinated by the universe and its inhabitants. When I was around 8 years old, I, as well as a handful of other kids, saw a metal circular object in the sky. It must have been about 2-3 miles high, and from where we're standing, it looked to be the size of a quarter. The object was still, almost eerily still, with what appeared to be some liquid circulating around the center of the object. I sure wish I had a cell phone during that time, but from that point forward, I've always kept my eyes to the sky. I took this video from my iPhone the morning of Wednesday, June 10th at 9:56 a.m. It was in East Palo Alto, which is between San Jose and San Francisco in California. Initially, I saw approximately 5 of these small white pulsating objects. At first, I thought maybe they were celebratory balloons since school graduations were upon us during that time. I don't know what these objects are or what these objects could be. I just found these objects out of the ordinary, so decided to film them. I hope you enjoyed. Take care and stay positive. I'm not sure what this is. Oh shit, there's actually 2 of them. See if you can see them right there. Right there. And then there's another one north of that, but there's 2. I don't know what they are. Right there. See that right there? Kind of cool. You can't see it, pretty crappy resolution or using a cell phone, but one of them disappeared already. The other one's still hanging on. Weird. 2 of them, yeah.